Hey there, today I'm going to walk you through how to start an LLC using Tailor Brands. A super straightforward process that will save you time and headaches while getting your business up and running. You see, when it comes to starting an LLC, you basically have two options. You can either handle all the paperwork and filing yourself, which can be pretty overwhelming if you're new to this, or you can use a professional service that takes care of everything for you. I mean, there's a reason why so many entrepreneurs choose to go with formation services. They make the whole process incredibly simple. So let me tell you why Tailor Brands is actually a great choice for forming your LLC. Well, they're not just another formation service. They offer a complete business launch platform. The thing is, they combine LLC formation with branding services, which means you can get your legal structure set up and create a professional brand identity all in one place. Now, let's talk about what you get and how much it costs. Tailor Brands offers several packages to choose from. Their basic package starts at $399 for the year, which includes all your essential LLC formation needs. This covers your state filing fees, registered agent service for the first year, and their basic branding tools. Then there's their premium package at $599 annually, which adds more advanced branding features and business tools. And if you want the full experience, their elite package at $799 gives you everything plus priority support and advanced marketing tools. All right, let me walk you through exactly how to form your LLC with Tailor Brands. First, you will head to their website and click on the Start Your LLC button. Then you will need to enter some basic information about your business, including your desired company name. The system will automatically check if your chosen name is available. Now, here is where Tailor Brands really stands out. After entering your business information, you will go through their brand creation process. You will answer questions about your business style and preferences, and their AI-powered system will generate logo designs, color schemes, and brand elements specifically for your business. I mean, it is pretty amazing how they combine the legal and creative aspects of starting a business. So once you have your branding sorted, you will move on to the actual LLC formation. You will need to provide details like your business address, registered agent information, and member details. Tailor Brands handles all the paperwork and submits everything to your state. They will even help you get your EIN from the IRS, which you will need for tax purposes and opening a business bank account. The thing is, Tailor Brands offers quite a few extras that can be really helpful when you are just starting out. You get access to their business tools platform, which includes things like a domain name, business email addresses, and a website builder. They also provide ongoing compliance alerts to make sure you never miss important deadlines or filing requirements. Well, after your LLC is formed, Tailor Brands continues to provide value through their platform. You can use their dashboard to manage your business documents, update your branding materials, and keep track of important dates. Plus, they offer customer support if you ever have questions or need guidance. Now, here are some important things to keep in mind when using Tailor Brands. First, make sure you have all your business information ready before starting the process. This includes things like your physical address, member information, and any specific requirements for your state. Also, take your time with the branding questionnaire. The more thought you put into it, the better your results will be. Basically, to get the most value from your Tailor Brands subscription, you should really take advantage of all the tools they offer. Use their website builder to establish your online presence, implement their branding materials across all your business communications, and keep an eye on those compliance notifications they send. So if you're ready to start your LLC with Tailor Brands, just click the link in the description below. It will take you directly to their formation page, and you can get started right away. The whole process usually takes about 30 minutes to complete on your end, and then Tailor Brands handles everything else. Remember, starting a business does not have to be complicated. With the right service, you can have your LLC up and running quickly, plus get all the branding materials you need to look professional from day one. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more business tips and tutorials. And hey, drop any questions you have in the comments below. I'm always happy to help. Good luck with your new business venture.